I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But do you really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throat, she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew ya. And it's not a cry to hear at night, it's not someone who sees a light, it's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. There was no parts in that one. Sorry about that, guys.
It was beautiful.